Did you know that you can set a primary time zone for different calendars on Google Calendar? So if you're using multiple calendars in your Google Calendar and you want to set a specific time zone for each one, you can easily do this. And I'm going to walk you through how easy it is to go ahead and set those primary time zones. So let's say you're in Google Calendar, guys, and as you can see in the lower left hand side, I have a few calendar here. So let's say I'm going to take, for example, the Drew tutorial one here as the example. Now, all you have to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and click the settings gear on the upper right hand side. It takes you into the settings menu. Click on settings, and from here you want to choose that specific calendar on the left side. So once you select that calendar, you'll be taken under the calendar settings. And if you look below here, guys, you will see the time zone, so you can easily go ahead and click the time zone for that specific calendar that you want to set. So let's say I want to choose, for example, something, let's choose something up in the eastern, right? So you can go ahead and you can choose something. So I'm going to choose Louisville as an example, and that's it. You don't even have to click save. That's how you go ahead and set it. Now you can easily go ahead and choose other calendars as well. So let's say that one is the Eastern. If I choose, for example, the Drew one, you can see here that it has a different time zone as well. And here you can even choose it as a primary time zone. So depending on if you're using multiple calendar, guys, you can easily go ahead and set a specific time zone for each calendar. How cool is that? Very easy and very simple.